Well, here I am out in the Atlantic, just north of Cuba, on a cruise. And I just saw this story about Governor Ron DeSantis. And on May the 9th, 2023, Governor Ron DeSantis signed a bill into law that restricts Chinese citizens from buying land in the state of Florida. The law, SB 264, prohibits Chinese citizens from buying land in Florida unless they are U.S. citizens or permanent residents. It also prohibits Chinese citizens from buying land within 10 miles of a military installation or critical infrastructure facility. The law was met by protests from Chinese Americans who said it was discriminatory. The American Civil Liberties Union filed a lawsuit against the state, arguing that the law violates Fair Housing Acts and the Equal Protection Clause of the U.S. Constitution. The Justice Department also filed a lawsuit against the state, arguing that the law is unconstitutional. The Department of Justice said that the law singles out Chinese citizens for discriminatory treatment and that it violates the federal government's authority to regulate foreign investment in the United States. The law is currently on hold, pending the outcome of the lawsuits. Here's a summary of the key provisions of the law. Chinese citizens who are not U.S. citizens or permanent residents are prohibited from buying land in Florida. Chinese citizens are also prohibited from buying land within 10 miles of a military installation or a critical infrastructure facility. There is an exception for Chinese citizens who have a non-tourist visa and who purchase a parcel of land that is not within 5 miles of a military installation and is no larger than 2 acres. The law has been criticized by some as discriminatory and unnecessary. However, the supporters of the law say it is necessary to protect national security and to prevent foreign government from buying up land in Florida. Now, the only reason I do a story like this and just read from a script is that my realty office and the state of Florida, I guess, have a contract called the as-is FAR bar contract, and they've made an addendum to it saying you have to get Chinese to sign it, and they can't buy land in this state of Florida. But it says right on here that there's a lawsuit going on, and it doesn't take effect until these lawsuits are handled. So I don't know why the Florida Real Estate Board, the Division of Real Estate, or the DBPR are saying Chinese cannot buy land while it's not a law as of yet. This is Harry Copeland. My phone number is 321-295-1420. My email is harrycopeland7@gmail.com. And now I'm going down and watch my wife in a slot tournament. Have a good day. Bye.